Hi there, my name is Joanne Moss, and I am the Director of Marketing here from Standard Electric Supply Company, and welcome to episode 28 of Hot Products in a Hot Minute. So today I have with us Nick Konen with HPS. He's here to tell us more about the HPS True Wave Active Harmonic Filter. So Nick, why don't you get started?
Thanks for having me here, Joanne. So I'm here to tell you a little about the HPS True Wave Active Harmonic Filter. What this is a filter that's geared around IEEE 519 compliance, often found around 6-pulse variable frequency drives. And what this is used for is in place of using something, say, like just a reactor or a passive harmonic filter to filter out the current harmonics on the line side of a VFD, you'd use instead an active harmonic filter. Essentially, it differs from your typical passive filter, as in it's in parallel to the system instead of in series like a passive filter or a reactor. And how it works is it has a set of CTs on it that act as like the eyes and ears of the active filter that monitors the sine wave on the main bus. And it looks at that sine wave, and similar to like how noise canceling headphones works, it looks at the frequency and then injects a almost equal but opposite current into it to give a sense of cancellation. So the main benefits you'll see to this is that instead of being a one-to-one point solution, a single active filter can take on multiple nonlinear or VFD loads at once. So now instead of having, say, 10, 15, 20 small reactors or passive filters, you can use one large active harmonic filter to take on the full corrective current here. Another key advantage too is by the function and property of an active filter too, it can improve power factor, bringing it close to unity. And in comparison to other small inline devices, it takes up fairly little space with respect to passive filters or reactors there. So some of the key locations that the active filter is found in are typically data centers or wastewater treatment plants. These areas have, what you could call critical loads, or loads that they basically have next to zero downtime on. So with the filter being installed in parallel instead of series, if there's any maintenance or installation problems there with the active filter, the critical loads can stay on power while this filter is being serviced or replaced. And if you'd like to learn more about the HPS True Wave, please reach out to your Standard Electric account manager.
Thanks, Nick, for sharing all that information about the HPS True Wave Active Harmonic Filter. As he said, if you need a quote, want to get more information, please reach out to your account manager, and we will see you next week on the next Hot Product in a Hot Minute.